Hello guys, welcome to Creative Learning by Dharu and Athar. Today we are going to solve a table-based data handling question that will involve money as well as fractions. So let's get started. So if you take a look at this question, this information that is given, at a vegetable shop, the prices of different vegetables are given as a fraction of rupees 100. So in this table, there are prices of vegetables are given, like potato is in the form of 1 by 5 of rupees 100. So each price is given as a fraction of rupees 100. So we can say that potatoes are 1 by 5 of rupees 100 and beans are 2 by 5 of rupees 100, carrots are 1 by 4 of rupees 100 and beetroots are 3 by 10 of rupees 100. And this is the price of 1 kilogram. Price per kg is given, so this is the price of the 1 kilogram of the vegetable. So if we calculate, let's just first calculate the value, then we'll take a look at questions which are being asked. So if we want to calculate the price of potatoes for how much 1 kilogram of potato will cost, then it's given as 1 by 5 of rupees 100. So 1 by 5 of rupees 100 is 20, right? Similarly, if we want to calculate the 2 by 5 of rupees 100, which is the price of beans per kg, so this will be 20 rupees per kg. We can write it like this, and this is 2 by 5 of rupees 100, which will be equal to 40 rupees per kg. And similarly this will be 1 by 4 of rupees 100, which will be 25 rupees per kg. And here it is given as 3 by 10 of rupees 100, so this will be equal to 3 times 10, 30 rupees per kg. So these are the prices now in rupees per kg. Now we will take a look at different questions that are given. So if you take a look at question number 1, which is given, find total price of 2 kilogram of carrots and 3 kilogram of beans. So before only we have calculated the prices as how much is there. So 1 kilogram of carrots are given here. So 1 kilogram of carrots cost rupees 25 per kg. So let's solve this question. Question number 1. It is given that we have to calculate 2 kilogram of carrots. So 2 kilogram of carrots we have to calculate. And the price for 1 kilogram of carrot is 25. So 2 kilogram of carrot will cost rupees 2 times 25, which will be equal to 50 rupees. Right. Similarly, 3 kilogram of beans. If we go for 3 kg of beans, 1 kilogram of beans cost rupees 40. So 3 kilogram of beans will cost rupees 3 times 40, which will be equal to 120 rupees. We have to find the total price. So total price is simply we have to take the sum of above two, which will be equal to 50 plus 120. This will be equal to 170 rupees. And this is how the total price of 2 kilogram of carrots and 3 kilogram of beans will be. Now let's take a look at question number 2. The question number 2 says that what is the difference in the prices between 3 kg of potatoes and 2 kg of beetroots. So if we want to, we have to calculate the difference in prices. So 3 kg of potatoes, 3 kg of potato, 1 kg of potato cost rupees 20. So 3 kg of potatoes will cost rupees 3 times of 20, which will be 60 rupees, and 2 kg of beetroots. So 2 kg of beetroots, how much will they cost? 1 kg of beetroots cost rupees 30. So 2 kg of beetroots will cost rupees 2 times 30, which will be equal to 60 rupees. And if we want to calculate the difference between both of them, so difference will be equal to 60 minus 60, that will be 0 rupees. And this will be the answer for this question. Let's take a look at question number 3. In this question, there are two parts. First let's read the question. Amar bought 2 kg of potatoes, 1 kg of beans, half of kg of carrots, and 1 kg of beetroots. So let's calculate all these prices first. So 2 kg of potatoes will cost how much? 2 kg of potato, if you see the table, 1 kg of potato cost rupees 20. So 2 kg of potato will cost rupees 2 times 20, which will be 40 rupees. Similarly, he bought 1 kg of beans. If we take a look at table, 1 kg of beans cost rupees 40. So let's write simply this much. Half kg of carrots, if you take a look at here, 1 kg of carrots cost rupees 25. So half of kg of carrots will cost rupees 1 by 2 of 25, which will be equal to 12.5 rupees, and 1 kg of beetroot. 1 kg of beetroot cost rupees 30. So 1 kg of beetroots, that will be equal to 30 rupees, right? So now we have to let's see part first. Let's try to solve part number first, and that is find the total amount he needs to pay. So total amount he needs to pay is, we have to simply take the sum of all these, 40 plus 40 plus 12.5 plus 30, and this will be equal to 40 80 plus 30 110 plus 12.5, this is 122.5 rupees. So this is the total amount that he needs to pay. What about the second part? Second part says that if he gives rupees 500 to the shopkeeper, then how much balance will he get back? So he gives the shopkeeper rupees 500. So shopkeeper will return him by subtracting this much amount, 122. So amount that will be returned by the shopkeeper will be equal to rupees 500 minus 122.5. What value this will be? Let's do it like how we do the subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 2 7, and 4 minus 1 3. 377.5. This much will be the amount that will be returned by the shopkeeper to Amar. And that's the question for today. I hope you like the content. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe it. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.